Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today's assembly is being conducted by the students of Senior Wing, and the topic is National Science Day.
Join your hands, close your eyes, and start the morning prayer. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime, serve Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him, thank Him, thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him when the sun goes down.
Thought of the day is always end the day with a positive thought, no matter how hard things were. Tomorrow is a fresh opportunity to make it better.
Good morning. Today's word of the day is wholesome. It is spelled as WHOLESOME. Its meaning is healthy or beneficial. It can be used in a sentence as the vegetables are plentiful and wholesome. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about the National Science Day. Theme for National Science Day 2022 is Integrated Version in Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. The purpose of choosing this theme is to promote public appreciation in science-related issues and topics. About National Science Day. The National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February. The first National Science Day was celebrated on 28th February 1987. This day is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Raman effect was discovered by Sir C.V. Raman in 1928. For his discovery, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. The main objective of National Science Day is to bring awareness to people about the importance of science in our daily life and to recognize all the projects, activities and achievements in the field of technology that help humanity. It is commemorated by implementing new technologies for scientific growth, providing opportunities for scientifically inclined individuals in India, encouraging and popularizing science and technology.
Greetings of the day. On the eve of Science Week, I would like to share some amazing facts. Starting with the first one, Venus is the only planet to spin clockwise. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve stainless steel. If we took out all the empty space from our atoms, the entire human race could fit inside the volume of a sugar cube. Polar bears are nearly undetectable by infrared. Broccoli is a man-made food made with years of selective breeding between wild cabbage plants. There was a pterodactyl which had a greater wingspan than the wing of a fighter jet. Hanuman Chalisa roughly calculates the distance between sun and the earth. Chalk is made from trillions of microscopic plankton fossils. In 2.3 billion years, it would be too hot for life to exist on Earth. And lastly, a teaspoonful of a neutron star would weigh around 6 billion tons. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
I promise that I will take precautions to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will always wear a mask and maintain 2-meter distance and wash my hands with soap regularly. Together, we can stop coronavirus.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।